children, how are you all? Welcome to your ELGA class. So, previous class we all learn about what? Three topics, right? So, shall we rewind it once? I hope you all learn it. You all learn, right? Okay, so take your ELGA book. Shall we revise it once? Yeah? Okay, from page number 6. So first, beginning sound A to Z we learned, right? Sounds, alphabet sounds, right? A sound, B sound, K sound, right? Okay. So next, first topic, shopping time, right? Shopping time we learn. So, in shopping time, characters we saw, right? Rahul and Rani. Some shops also we learn, right? Look at this picture. Can you say what are the shops we learn? Coffee shop, yeah, food shop, candy shop, yeah, very good. Fruit shop, juice shop, saloon, right? That means barber shop, right? Okay. So, these are the shops we learned, right? So, then we learned that Rahul and Rani went to some shops, right? What are the shops? Can you say? Yeah, very good. Card shop, balloon shop, bakery, then toy shop. Okay, children. So, vocabularies also we learned. Then, very good. Concept time we learned, right? Part of a book. Parts of a book. Then, characters we learned, right? What is a character? Very good. What is a character? Yeah, a character is a person or animal in a story. In this story, we saw two characters, right? Who are they? Yeah, very good. Two children, Rahul and Rani. Okay, children. Then naming words we learned, right? What is a naming word? Name of a person, place or a thing. In short, it is noun. Okay, children? Yeah. Some name of a person, Rahul, Rani, Vimal, Sita, right. Then, name of a place, our place, which we can call by its name, right? Yeah, Villukuri, Nagargovil, Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Yeah, okay. Then, name of an animal. Yeah, name of animals, lion, tiger, cat, dog, rat. Yeah. Then, name of a thing. Thing, book, pencil, pen. Then, blackboard, chalk piece, marker. Yeah, very good. Okay, children. Next topic, we saw the fruit seller. Yes, the fruit seller. There also we saw a lot of characters and lot of fruits, right? Yeah. Once fruit seller came to a little boy's house and he brings many fruits, right? Yeah, he gave an apple to that little boy. Then he gives pear to Anu. He gives grapes to Ram. He gives papaya to Gita. He gives mango to Sita. And he makes everyone happy. Okay. Yeah. Next, we saw some polite words, right? Polite words, first greetings we saw. What is a greeting? We used to, very good, we used to wish people, right? Yeah. So, we used to wish people. Yeah. How? Say some words. Good morning, good night, hello, hi, bye, right? Yeah. Next, magic words we learned, right? Yeah, what is a magic word? What is a magic word? Magic word we use to polite with people, right? These words help us to make better relationship with other people. Okay, so say some magic words. Can you say some magic words? Yes, very good. What is that? Thank you, please, sorry, welcome, Okay, children. So these are magic words. Okay. Then next topic we saw at a fair, right? We all learned at a fair. Okay. At a fair, two characters we saw, Sanjay and Radha. Very good. Sanjay and Radha. They are at a fair. They saw a lot of shops, right? They went to a lot of shops. Can you say some shops? Yes. Balloon shop, toy shop, ice cream shop, and then yes, they went to rides, right? Yes, they heard music, they danced on that music, right? Okay, so some vocabulary words also we learned there, right? Isn't it? Okay. So, today we are going to learn a new topic. Okay, children? Before that, I want to ask you something that can you say some people on who help us? People who help us in many ways. Not only for us, society. They work hard for society. Can you say some helpers? One who works hard for our society, to develop our society. Can you? One who help us also. Help us. Yeah, very good. Policemen, right? Police, they help us to be safe at home. To be safe at streets also. Wherever we go, they help us. Drivers, very good. Drivers, they help us to take us from one place to another place. Then very good. Sweepers, one who sweep the street, clean the street, right? Okay. Then helpers. Think. Helpers. One who help us. Yeah, newspaper boys, right? Newspaperman or newspaper boy. One who bring newspaper in the morning, right? Okay. Then one who bring water to us, right? Mineral waters. Then gas cylinders. The people who bring gas cylinders to our home, right? Okay, these are all some helpers. In this topic also we are going to learn some helpers, one who help us. Okay, helpers. Our helpers. Okay, children, take your Elka book, turn page number 20. Turn page number 20, 21. So vocabulary words are given. We can learn vocabulary words first. Why? Because if we learn vocabulary words, then it is easy to learn our topic. Okay, children? So, vocabulary words. First word is, what is the first word? Milkman, right? Milkman, one who brings milk, okay, to us. Milkman. First word is milkman. Okay, milkman. What is the second word? Yeah, very good. Look at your book and say, what is the second vocabulary word? Yes, very good. Baker. 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 Then third word. What is the third word given in your book? Very good. Policeman. Policeman. Right? Policeman. So what is the fourth word? Fourth word? Yes. Sweeper. Okay. Sweeper. 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 Then what is the fifth word? Fifth word? Yes, very good. Clean. 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 What is the sixth word? Sixth word? Yes, very good. Safe. Safe. Okay, so the first word is milkman. Milkman. Repeat. Milkman. M-I-L-K-M-A-N. Milkman. M-I-L-K-M-A-N. Milkman. M-I-L-K-M-A-N. Milkman. The next word is baker. 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 B-A-K-E-R. Baker. B-A-K-E-R. Baker. B-A-K-E-R. Baker. B-A-K-E-R. Baker. So the next word is policeman. Policeman. Okay, policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Policeman. The next word is sweeper. 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 S-W-E-E-P-E-R. S-W-E-E-P-E-R. Sweeper. S-W-E-E-P-E-R. Sweeper. S-W-E-E-P-E-R. Sweeper. Okay. Don't use E-E. You should use double E, double L, double O, double A. Okay. Yeah. Next. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Next word is safe. Safe. S-A-F-E. Safe. S-A-F-E. Safe. S-A-F-E. Safe. S-A-F-E. Safe. Okay, children. So, these are the 6 words given in your book as vocabulary words. Okay. Then come to page number 20. We can start. Okay. So, look at this picture. A picture is given at first, right? So, one who is in uniform, he is a policeman, right? Next person is with a sweep. With a sweep. So, he is a sweeper. Next person, a boy with some cookies or cake, right? So, he is a baker. So, the next person, he is with the jar of milk. So, he is a milkman, okay? Next, a lady or a woman is there and she is wearing sari and she is saying something, okay? Who is she? We can learn it now, okay? Yeah. This is a milkman. The milkman brings us milk. So, the first one is milkman. What he will bring? He brings us milk. Okay, so this milkman brings us milk. Okay, milkman brings us milk. So, the second sentence they were given is, this is a baker and the baker bakes us cakes. So, the second one they have given, this is a baker and what the baker will do? How the baker will help us? Yeah, the baker bakes us cakes. Very good. So, baker bakes us cake. So, the next one, look at this picture. This is a teacher. The teacher teaches us, right? So, this woman, she is wearing sari and she is saying something I said, right? She is a teacher. And what she is doing? How she will help us? She will teach us, right? Yeah, teach us. She will instruct you. She will educate you. She will give knowledge to you. And she will make you a better citizen, right? Yes. Okay, children. So, next they have given us teacher. And how she will help you? Teacher teaches us, right? Yes. Teacher teaches us. Teacher teach. Teacher teaches us, right? Yes. The next one is sweeper. This is a sweeper. And how he will help us? The sweeper helps us stay clean. Okay. So, the sweeper, how they will help us? The sweeper sweeps help us to stay clean. Okay. So sweeper helps us to stay clean. Okay. Yeah. The next is policeman. This is a policeman. The policeman helps us be safe, right? Look at this picture. What he is doing? He is helping two children to cross the road, right? Yes. So this is how the the traffic police help us, right? The police helps us be safe. So the police helps us be safe. Okay, children? Yeah, this is what given in your topic, our helpers. Okay, so our helpers, these are some helpers, right? So the first one is milkman. How he will help us? He brings us milk. Okay, so the next one is baker. How he will help us? He bakes cakes for us, right? Yeah. Next one is teacher. How they will help us? Teachers teaches us, right? Yeah. The next one is sweeper. How they will help us? Yeah, the sweeper helps us to stay clean, right? Helps us to stay clean. Next, police. Policeman, how they will help us? Yes, policeman helps us to be safe. Okay, children? So, this is all about today's topic, our helpers. Okay, yeah. Then all of you take your workbook. Take your workbook. So, I think till page number 17, you all completed your activities, right? Your worksheet, everything. Those who are not completed, or if I skip you to do this work, means you should do till page number 17. You should complete everything. Okay. What are the things we learn in our reader only they have given here. So it will be easy for you to do, because till this I have completed everything, right? You all learned also. Yeah, you all wrote your exams also, right? Yes. So your exams, you all done your exams well. Some children you have what took less than 8. So you have to work hard. You have to study well to get good marks. Okay. Next exam you have to take 10 out of 10. Okay, children. So study well. Okay. So till 17 you all completed, right? Yes. Next page number 18. Take page number 18. This is your today's homework. Okay. So page number 18, 19 and 20 you are going to do. Okay. 18, 19 and 20. It is very easy. Okay. So vocabulary words. Sort the pictures by writing their names in the correct column. So some pictures are given here. Below that its name is also given. So you have to sort what? Naming words. And you should write below. See, in a column they have given animals, place and animals, fruits and places. You should sort the correct picture and you should write here. Animal's name you should write in the first column. Next, fruit's name you should write in your second column. And place's name you should write in the third column. Okay, it is very easy. Next, come to page number 19. See, circle pictures of naming bird. Okay, some pictures are given here and you should circle the naming word. See, ant, net, quilt, play, king, sofa, kite, sleep, draw, happy, study, drum. So, what are the naming words? You should circle it. Very easy. Okay. Next, read the sentences and underline the naming words. Okay. It is very easy. Only 4 sentences are given there and you should, yes, underline the naming words. Okay. Naming words you all know, right? The which we can call, names which we can call for anything. That is naming word, okay. The sofa is big. So, which is the naming word? You should underline it, okay. Ram lives in London. Which is the naming word? You should underline it. My mother likes the color blue. Okay, my mother likes the color blue. Which is the naming word? You should underline it. I like to eat mangoes. So, which is the naming word? You should underline it, okay. Yeah, then come to page number 20. See, writing. Draw some things you like to buy and label your drawing. Okay, so you should draw some things, 1, 2, 3 or many things, okay, which you like to buy from shop, okay, and you should label it and write its name. What is that? Okay, yeah. Then fill in the blanks with the word of your own. You should write here, okay. So I like to buy dash. In that dash, you should fill by your own. Okay, what do you like to buy? That you should write. Okay, children. So, this is all about today's topic. We learn our helpers, right? And some activities I have given. You should do it. Okay, children. So, every weekend you have exams, right? Study well and do it. Okay. So, in this exam, I want to see everyone is taking 10 out of 10. Okay, children. So, thank you and write your exams well. Learn well. Okay, children. Study well. Not only this ELGA but also all the subjects you should learn. Okay, children. Thank you.